a little better. Your voice moves through the house like a sound I've grown to need. And when you're gone a while, it just feels a little empty. You're adorable without even trying. I don't need anyone, you're the one I'm choosing. I love the names we call each other, the ones nobody else would say. You're teasing, your timing, how you brighten up my day. I could be upset or distant and you still make me laugh. Like loving you is the easiest thing I've ever had. You're without even trying. The house feels warmer when your voice is in the air, and when it isn't, I notice you're not there. You're adorable